Okay guys, yesterday we modeled the division and multiplication property of equality, and today we're going to practice a little more, but it's going to be on the algorithms. You know, the number crunching, how to undo multiplication by using division property, how to undo division using multiplication property. Very similar to what we did yesterday, except now it's just the use of number crunching. So I call it the algorithm. But okay, so 5x equals 20. Right now we're multiplying 5 times x. If we undo that, we do the opposite property of that, which is division. So we divide by 5. Well, what you do to the left, you must do to the right. 5x divided by 5 is just a single x, or 5 divided by 5 is 1. And 20 divided by 5 is 4. Okay, and then we simplify if needed. Here we don't have to because our solution is simply 4. If we try it with these, okay, we have 4 times n, or 4n. If we divide that by 4, draw our line of equality. What we do to the left, you must do to the right. We end with n equals 5. It's a single step equation. There's only one step required to find the solution. Here, same thing. 3m is 3 times m. The opposite of that is to divide it. You end up with m equals 15 divided by 3, or 5. Let's go back and check it. Is that answer reasonable? 3 times a number equals 15. 3 times 5 is 15. We know that's true. Here, 4 times 5 is 20. We know that is true. Okay, here it's a little more complicated. Okay, you'll notice that we're not working with friendly numbers. We have 5 times m is equal to 8, or 5m equals 8. So it's the opposite of multiplication. We divide to get just the variable m, but what you do to the left, you must do to the right. Now, 5 divided by 5 is 1, or m, and 8 divided by 5 is written as 8/5. Okay, so are we done? No, because we have an improper fraction. We need to simplify. Even though it's a 7th grade standard, I want you to understand how to do it in 6th grade. Okay, if we consider the model of it, picture Melman doing a cartwheel, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So if we want to convert that to a mixed number, we have 1 whole and 1, 2, 3 out of 5. Now there's other ways we can calculate this and get a decimal. But for now, I want you to be able to find the fractional form of it. Okay, we end with 8/5, or if you write it as a mixed number, is m equals 1 3/5. Okay, and I know that 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 times 3/5 would give us 3. So I know that to be true. Now, same thing goes with division. You notice that before it was a number times x. Here it's just the opposite. So we multiply each side times 7 as it's shown here. But what you do to the left, you must do to the right. Let's do a problem down below. Okay, t divided by 3 is 19.2. So to find out what the solution is, we multiply it by 3. What you do to the left, you must do to the right. Giving us a total of 57 and 6/10. Oh. T is equal to, all right. Remember to use, make sure that you predict what it is at first. 3 times 19, now 19 is about 20, so 3 times 20 is 60. You'll notice that your answer is very reasonable.